Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Linktree link. If you need to remove a link from your Linktree page, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find the link you want to remove, use the delete option, and confirm the action so the link is taken off your list. To begin, go to the Linktree admin area. This is where you manage the links that appear on your Linktree profile. Once you're there, you should be on the links management page, where all of your current links are displayed in a list. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before continuing, especially if you manage several links and want to avoid deleting the wrong one. Next, look through your list and find the link you want to remove. In this example, the link is labeled as a sample link, but you'll simply choose the one you no longer need. Once you've found it, click the delete icon next to that link. This icon is typically placed alongside the link controls, and selecting it tells Linktree that you want to remove that specific item from your page. It's a good idea to double-check the link title before clicking, since deleting the wrong link can mean having to recreate it later. After clicking the delete icon, a confirmation prompt will appear. This extra step is there to help prevent accidental deletions. When you're sure you've selected the correct link, click delete to confirm. As soon as you do that, the link will be removed from your Linktree list. That's all it takes to delete a Linktree link. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page to confirm the link has been removed. Also, keep in mind that deleting a link removes it from your Linktree setup, so if you think you may need it again later, you may want to review it carefully before confirming the deletion. This is a simple way to keep your Linktree organized and up to date, especially if you regularly change promotions, social links, or featured content. Once you've confirmed the deletion, your page will reflect the updated list of links.